Hello guys, eto na naman ako no. Ako ay magbabahagi ng konting kaalaman no para tayo ay may mapupulot na aral para ito sa mga baguhan, yung mga nagsisimula pa lang. Ito guys no. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa profile recommendable. Doon ay may nakalagay na learn about original content. So ano ba itong iintindihin natin ano tong original content na ito no? So creators are more likely to succeed on Facebook when they primarily share content that is created by them. We'll explain more about our policy to help you about restriction in the future. Here's how we'll do it. Ito guys, kung ano tong original content, no? Understand what original content is and how our policies work. Test what you be learn and create original content. So kailangan tayo ay maggawa ng original content, no? So ito, what is original content? We consider original content to be profiles and pages that primarily consist of video and other content types that are produced by the same person or production company that posts it. So ito guys, we encourage page and profiles to regularly post originally produce content to earn that best distribution, protecting your own your unique content and others through our guidelines help create more authentic communities. Yan guys, kailangan i-encourage natin ang ating page sa profile na regular na mag-post tayo ng original na content na para i-produce natin sa mga sa mga viewers natin, ganyan, yan, post originally produced content to earn the best distribution, ganyan. So kailangan makagawa tayo ng original na content na may distribution natin, yan. So i-encourage natin sa ating page na kailangan regularly na maggawa tayo ng ating content na original. So ito, protecting your unique content and others through our guidelines help create more authentic communities. Yan guys, no? So yan kailangan na susundin natin. So what does meaningfully enhance mean? Making significant change that add new information to someone else's content is meaningfully enhancing it. Here are some examples of how to do it right. Yan guys. Kailangan kasi tayo ay gumawa ng ating content na original para i-encourage natin sa ating profile at saka ating mga page. Yan guys. Okay guys, maraming salamat. Sana may napulot kayo na aral sa aking sinabi. Huwag niyong kalimutan at mag-like at mag-comment sa aking video. I love you all.